Jim Colt here with Maverick CNC. We get asked the question once in a while because there are two different models of the machine that look very similar. The MV, which is what we're looking at right here, and the MV Pro. They do look very similar. They're based on the same roots, but the basic differences are that the MV Pro has a gantry that's designed to handle a little bit more heat load, because a lot of these machines used in heavy industry are going to be cutting some real heavy carbon or mild steel with oxy fuel torches, and there's a lot more heat emitted from that process than there is with the plasma cutting process. So the newer gantry is actually more steel oriented, probably weighs a little bit more, but we'd be concerned about the aluminum gantry under real high duty cycle conditions having some issues there. The other thing it has, the MV Pro has servo drives instead of stepper motors. There's nothing wrong with either one of them. They both perform very well, but the servos have a little bit of an advantage when you're at extremely high speeds and high duty cycles in maintaining the speed and staying on the cut path, even when things are hot and heavy on the shop floor cutting 3 shifts a day. So, last but not least, the computer that's offered with the machine is more of an industrial touchscreen type computer. So it offers more opportunities out on the shop floor and holds up a little bit better. So why would you buy one or the other? It might be the difference between being a one shift, 2-man shop, or it might be the difference between somebody that's having to run 3 shifts a day to keep up with production. That's where you might want the MV Pro. Also, you may want it if you're going to step up with a plasma. Now, Hypertherm has once you get past the PowerMax line of plasma cutting systems, that everything past the PowerMax systems, you step up to the Max Pro 200. That's a 200 amp liquid cooled oxygen Hypertherm plasma system. And it's a big boy plasma that's going to sit. It's going to outperform even the oxy fuel torch in a lot of cases on the machine. So once you step to those, so those are the reasons for buying an MV Pro over a regular MV like I have right here. I don't have the power to run the big plasma. I have no desire to cut 3-inch thick steel with an oxy fuel torch. So I'm going to stick with the PowerMax 65 with my MV and be happy with it. So.